Section 1 is titled Harnessing Technology in Today's Challenging Job Market. In the wake of COVID, recent college graduates face a highly competitive job outlook, even in traditionally sought-after fields. So it's important to have transferable skills such as excellent communication, creativity, problem solving, teamworking, and flexibility. A recent survey confirms that the top 5 attributes employers look for in resumes are in this order: teamwork, problem solving, analytical quantitative skills, verbal communication, and writing skills. Traditional techniques like networking and referrals are effective, but job candidates must take advantage of the technology tools that are available. Technology has changed the way candidates are chosen for interviews and the way companies search for candidates. So now companies have applicant tracking systems that can automatically post the openings, select resumes, rank candidates, and generate interview requests. So the best plan to complete a successful job search involves 4 steps. Analyze yourself, explore the open and hidden job markets, create a customized resume and cover letter, and know the hiring process. So when you're starting your job search, you have to start with self-analysis. So here are some questions that you can ask yourself to help you know what you're looking for. I'm not going to read these, but I encourage you to read each one of these. And there are online tools that can help figure out what you're interested in and what jobs would be good for you. And so you have the Myers-Briggs type indicator. This divides people into 4 temperaments, and the Big 5 groups people into 5 personality types. So kind of get to know you as a person and what jobs would fit your personality. And then the following questions, when you're ready to evaluate your qualifications, these will help you with this. So you're wanting to know what technology skills can you present? Like specifically, what software programs have you mastered? What internet research skills do you have? And what social media savvy can you offer? Do you communicate well in speech and in writing? What other skills have you acquired in school or on the job, in an internship, or through leisure activities and volunteer work? All of these things are important when you're evaluating your qualifications. Also, do you work well with people? Do you enjoy teamwork? Consider extracurricular activities, clubs, class projects, and jobs. This shows how you work with other people or how you are used to working with other people. Are you a leader, self-starter, or manager? What evidence can you provide? What leadership roles have you held? Do you learn quickly? Can you think critically? How can you demonstrate these characteristics? Okay, and here are some statistics when you're preparing for career opportunities. Individuals between the ages of 28 and 52 averaged 12.3 jobs, with nearly half of these jobs held before the age of 25. Workers can expect to have as many as 6 different jobs before the age of 25. And then there's this term reskilling, continuous education, and retraining. This is required to remain relevant and employable. Never stop learning new things. And here are some suggestions for finding the best career data. I encourage you to read over these and use these to help in your job search. Section 2 is titled Exploring the Open Job Market. The open job market consists of jobs that are advertised or publicly listed. And then there's also the hidden job market, and these are jobs that are not publicly listed and they're never advertised. 50 and 80% of all jobs are never listed or filled before they even make it to online job boards or advertisements. So, job boards can provide valuable job search information such as resume, interviewing, and salary tips. This is just a starting off point in your search process. This informs candidates of jobs and the types of jobs and the skill sets that are required. Recruiters now are primarily listing jobs on social media sites, and job seekers are turning to LinkedIn, Facebook jobs, and Twitter to find them. Here are the 4 best job sites for both traditional and non-traditional college students: Indeed, Career Builder, Monster, and College Recruiter. If you're seeking a job in a particular field, you might want to look for a niche site. So Dice is for technology jobs, and then Account Temps for temporary accounting positions. If you're looking for a government job, USA Jobs is good. Also, you can go directly to a company's website and look for job listings there. You can also find the vision and mission statements, the history of the organization, and the names of the key hiring managers on that company's website. There are also some companies that still list in newspaper and in print. And Craigslist can be a haven for people looking for part-time or even full-time work. Some jobs can also be found through career fairs. And then, of course, university and college and alumni contacts. So here are some mobile apps that you can use to help find jobs. Of course, Indeed is one of the main ones, but here are others that have mobile apps. So then you can get updates coming straight to your phone. When you're posting on internet job boards to protect your personal data, make sure that you do the following. Use reputable, well-known sites. Don't divulge personal data. Set up a separate email account. Post privately. Keep careful records. Don't include your references. Section 3 is titled Unlocking the Hidden Job Market. It's important to build a personal network. Anytime you meet someone, that may be an opportunity for you to network. Networking is developing a supportive system of person-to-person contacts during a job search. It involves meeting people and talking to them about your field or industry so that you gain information and possibly open doors to job vacancies. One recent college graduate underwent 3 interviews for a position, but the company hired someone else. After being turned down, the grad explained why she thought she was perfect for the company, but perhaps her in a different role. Apparently, the hiring manager agreed and decided to create a new job in social media because of the skills, personality, and perseverance of this determined young grad. Traditional networking pays off, but it requires dedication. Here are 3 steps to establishing a network. Develop a contact list, make contacts in person and online, and follow up on your referrals. So who do you contact and networking. Well, you can contact any of these listed. And like I said, anyone you meet could be a potential contact for you to network with in the future. Of course, your former instructors are a good place to ask about jobs. But just keep in contact with people that you meet, and you never know when you could contact them in the future about a potential job, or they may want to contact you. Surveys have shown that as many as 99% of recruiting and staffing professionals use LinkedIn to locate and vet candidates. LinkedIn, if you do not have a LinkedIn account, I strongly recommend that you get one. There are 5 ways LinkedIn can help you find a job. You can receive job alerts, leverage your network, research a company, get recommendations, and help companies find you. To find jobs on other social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, follow the desired organizations on their social media sites. Look them up on Facebook and follow them. Create a simple profile with minimal graphics, widgets, and photos. Post only content relevant to your job search or career. Choose your friends wisely. Make sure your social media profiles represent you professionally. And include an informative bio in your Twitter or Facebook profile that has a link to your LinkedIn profile. Post thoughtful blog posts and tweets on topics related to your career goal. You have to appear professional on those social media accounts. If you use Facebook, examine your profile and decide what you want prospective employers to see or not see. Employers often visit social media to keep tabs on and vet candidates before an interview. Before starting the job hunt, develop a brand that emphasizes those qualities that make you special. And here are some of the questions that you need to think about when you're building your professional brand or your personal brand. Scott Dabrowski, Vice President and Corporate Communications at Glassdoor, of Corporate Communications at Glassdoor, said, if you find an exciting job listing, put extra effort into lining your resume with the position. Get specific. Take the time to customize your resume for what the employer is looking for and make clear how you would be a fit for that role and why. So here's how you would develop your brand. An elevator pitch is a concise speech that job seekers can give in 60 seconds or less, describing who they are and what they can offer. And then figure 13.7, be sure to look at that in your book. It provides advice on building a brand.